All right, what's going on, guys? It's Luke here. We started off the week with a nice winner today. De-risked on this. Took this across three accounts today. Basically, on Mondays, especially if we have a ton of red folder news, I just personally like to just focus on getting a small win in and out. So I didn't get to hold this. I assume this is probably maybe going to trade higher, but like I'm fine with that. I start the week off with a nice win early into the session. So coming into the morning, I didn't have a strict bias, but I was leaning more bullish because we were delivering out of a 4 hour bullish gap. And we had draws higher. We had London, we had Asia. Like we're probably going to come up and take them. But again, I'm not trying to catch the whole move. I'm just trying to get in and out. So market opens up and initially manipulates down. So at this point, I'm either looking for displacement in order to look for continuations lower, or I'm looking for a reversal. So basically this 1 minute gap opens up and I'm just waiting for price to kind of inverse. So we get this 1 minute inversion. I jumped in a little bit early on this candle, and then we started to reject after ES took the 930 high. So I closed it at like pretty much immediately. Then I waited another minute, and then as soon as we got this 1 minute inversion candle right here at 936, I took the entry, stops below the 1 minute wick right there and the 1 minute gap. I went break even after we took these internal highs right here, and then I just pretty much fully TP'd when ES took the highs, because as you could see, ES ended up taking the highs or like right before around 939, whatever it was. And then at that point, I just closed the trade out and I was fine with that. Again, you probably could have left runners up higher, but honestly, I'm fine with that. 2.27R, 76 points. So yeah, so that's it from you guys. I'll have the full trade recap though, where I go a little bit more in depth on YouTube in like 20 minutes. I have executions in the Discord, but yeah, that's it from you guys, and we'll be back at it tomorrow. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.